Fairy Meadows. The name itself conjures images of ethereal beauty and otherworldly charm, a place where dreams and reality intertwine. Nestled in the heart of Pakistan's northern region, this place is a sanctuary, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It's a haven for adventurers and nature lovers seeking solace, a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Imagine lush green meadows carpeted with wildflowers, each petal adding a splash of colour to the vibrant landscape. Picture towering pine forests and the gushing waters of the Raikot Glacier, a scene straight out of a fairy tale. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth, invigorating your senses with every breath. The silence is broken only by the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant call of a bird, creating a symphony of nature. This is Fairy Meadows, a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to savor each moment. A place where you can truly reconnect with nature and yourself, finding peace in the solitude. Fairy Meadows is not just a destination, it's an experience, a journey that touches your soul. It's a journey into the heart of the Himalayas, where the mountains stand tall and proud. It's a chance to witness the raw power and beauty of nature, a reminder of the world's magnificence. I've faced many challenges in the wild, each one a test of endurance and spirit. But the allure of Fairy Meadows was a call I couldn't resist, a siren song of nature's wonders. Dominating the skyline is Nanga Parbat, the 9th highest mountain in the world, standing tall and proud. This majestic peak is not for the faint of heart, though. It's earned the nickname Killer Mountain for a reason, a testament to its perilous nature. Its sheer cliffs and unpredictable weather have claimed the lives of many climbers, making it one of the most dangerous ascents. But even from a distance, the mountain holds you captive with its imposing presence. The snow-capped summit glistens in the sunlight, a beacon of natural beauty. The slopes are streaked with shades of grey, brown and white, creating a mesmerizing tapestry. As the sun begins to set, Nanga Parbat transforms into a canvas of colours. The light paints the mountain in hues of orange, pink and purple, a sight to behold. It's a truly breathtaking spectacle, one that leaves an indelible mark on the soul. The presence of Nanga Parbat is a constant reminder of the power and majesty of nature. It's a humbling experience to be in the shadow of such a giant, feeling the weight of its history. The mountain demands respect, and those who venture into its domain do so with a sense of awe and reverence, knowing they are in the presence of greatness. Fairy Meadows is a biodiversity hotspot. The meadows are a riot of colours. Wildflowers bloom in every hue imaginable. Look closely and you'll spot a variety of medicinal herbs. The surrounding forests are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. Towering pine, fir and birch trees create a canopy overhead. The air is filled with the sound of birdsong. Keep an eye out for the elusive snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear and musk deer. These creatures are a testament to the region's pristine ecosystem. Exploring these trails, you'll encounter cascading waterfalls and rushing streams. The water is crystal clear, fed by the melting glaciers above. Take a moment to drink from these natural springs. It's some of the freshest, most invigorating water you'll ever taste. Accommodation in Fairy Meadows is basic but comfortable. Local guest houses offer a roof over your head and warm meals. Don't expect luxury here. Embrace the simplicity. The hospitality of the local people is heartwarming. They'll greet you with open arms and share stories of their lives in the mountains. Sharing a meal with them is a cultural experience in itself. You'll savor traditional Pakistani dishes like dal, rice and chapati. The food is simple but flavorful, made with fresh, local ingredients. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong and the stunning views of Nanga Parbat. The guest houses are a place to rest and rejuvenate after a day of trekking. They're also a great place to connect with fellow travelers and share stories of your adventures. Section 5. The adventure begins. The journey to Fairy Meadows is an adventure in itself. The first leg is a thrilling jeep ride from Raikot Bridge. The road is bumpy and treacherous, winding its way up the mountainside. Hold on tight as the jeep navigates hairpin turns and steep inclines. The views along the way are breathtaking. You'll pass through dense forests, across rushing streams, and alongside towering cliffs. The air gets colder and thinner as you ascend. The jeep ride is an experience that will stay with you long after you've reached your destination. After the jeep ride, it's time to start trekking. The trail is well defined but steep in places. Be prepared to climb for several hours. Make sure you have appropriate footwear and clothing. The weather in the mountains can change quickly. Section 6. Ascending to new heights. The trek to Fairy Meadows is challenging but immensely rewarding, offering a sense of accomplishment like no other. The trail winds its way through dense pine forests and across expansive alpine meadows, each step bringing you closer to nature. You'll cross crystal-clear streams and navigate rocky paths that test your endurance and spirit. The air is fresh and invigorating, filling your lungs with every breath. The views are simply breathtaking, offering a panoramic spectacle that stretches as far as the eye can see. As you ascend, the trees begin to thin out, and the meadows open up before you, revealing a landscape of unparalleled beauty. The first glimpse of Fairy Meadows is unforgettable, a moment that etches itself into your memory. It's like stepping into a scene from a postcard, a perfect blend of natural elements. The lush green meadows, the towering pine trees, and the majestic Nanga Parbat in the backdrop. It's a sight that will stay with you forever, a true masterpiece of nature. Along the way, take breaks to catch your breath and soak in the views, allowing yourself to fully appreciate the journey. Listen to the sound of the wind whistling through the trees, a soothing melody that accompanies your trek. Feel the sun on your face, warming you as you continue your ascent. These are the moments that make the journey so special, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Section 7. A celestial spectacle. As night falls, Fairy Meadows transforms into a magical wonderland. The air is crisp and clear, the stars shine brightly in the night sky, unobstructed by light pollution. It's the perfect opportunity for stargazing. Lie down on the grass and gaze up at the Milky Way, a river of stars stretching across the sky. Spot constellations you never knew existed. The silence of the night is broken only by the sound of your own breathing and the occasional howl of a distant animal. The experience of spending a night under the stars in Fairy Meadows is both humbling and awe-inspiring. It makes you realize how small you are in the grand scheme of things. It's a reminder of the beauty and vastness of the universe. Section 8. Treading carefully. While Fairy Meadows is a place of immense beauty, it's important to remember that it's also a wilderness area. Dangers exist here, and it's crucial to be prepared. The weather can change rapidly from sunny skies to snowstorms in a matter of hours. Altitude sickness is a real risk, so ascend gradually and acclimatize yourself. Pack plenty of water as there are limited sources along the trail. Be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye out for wildlife. Hiring a local guide is highly recommended. They know the area like the back of their hand and can provide valuable insights into the local culture and environment. They can also help you navigate the trail safely and assist in case of emergencies.